Hello, environmental science scholars. This week, you're going to be going on a pretty exciting trip with Miss Price to the Hudson River, in which you're going to be collecting lots of data on things like the physical conditions of the environment, the pH level, and right now we're looking at some of the dozens of pages that students would bring in this trip in previous years. Ms. Price and I were talking about ways to simplify and streamline this process. And so this week, when you arrive at your destination, you're going to take out your cell phone. You're going to go to mrdroz.com. And when you do, you're going to see lots of links on the front page. Each link contains a survey. And so what you're going to be doing is you're going to be taking these surveys, you're going to be submitting it. That way we'll have an opportunity to get that data on the spot. And I'm going to illustrate how this works very quickly. So here, for example, is the physical conditions link. You're going to select your period. You're going to select your name, for example, maybe you're Telmo. You're going to click next, and then you're going to describe the water as extremely choppy. You're going to talk about the percentage of the environment as described as urban, industrial, forested, beach, etc. You're going to take the air temperature, the cloud cover. Is it raining? Yes or no? And then you're going to press submit. So what does this look like on your phone? Well, what you're going to want to do again is you're going to go to mrdroz.com, and this is, here I am working on my own phone, and I'm going to select right now, for example, Hudson River traffic, and you can see how simple this is easy. So we'll do period 7, click next. You're going to find your name, and let's say your name is Delilah. We're going to click next. And then, for example, for the Hudson River traffic, you're going to simply specify, is it commercial or is it recreational? Let's say it's recreational. What's the color of this boat? Maybe it's, I don't know, silver? Why not? The direction. Which way is it going? Northbound? Obviously. It seems pretty loaded. Any other observations? Let's see. Multiple people on board, or whatever observations you want to include. This is pretty subjective. We're going to press submit, and boom, Hudson River traffic was submitted. So what does that look like on my end, on Miss Price's end? Well, if we click on this link, what we can see is the exact time that this data was submitted. So I can see that in this case, this is Monday, October 9th. It was just submitted 30 seconds ago. I can see the period, the name, and I can see other observations, for example, multiple people on board. We're going to get lots of data from all of you guys. This is going to be a collective and collaborative effort. We're really excited. We hope you have fun on this trip, and can't wait to see your data. Thanks.